The human body's designed to heal itself, and it'll heal itself if you give it the right conditions.
That was Barbara Neill, a naturopath and health educator who is passionate about natural healing. Today, we're going to delve into an important topic: how to eliminate yeast and fungus from the body naturally. Yeast and fungal infections are common and can affect various parts of the body, including the skin, nails, mouth, and digestive tract. Candida is one of the most well-known types of yeast that can cause health issues when it overgrows. When yeast or fungal overgrowth is not addressed, it can lead to various health problems such as fatigue, digestive issues, skin rashes, and even mood changes. It's crucial to maintain a balanced microbiome to prevent these issues. There are several natural methods to combat yeast and fungal infections effectively, which Barbara will describe throughout the video. We'll include foods containing the ingredients she recommends, allowing you to take immediate action against cancer, yeast, and fungal infections. By making these changes and incorporating these natural remedies, you can effectively manage and eliminate some cancer cells, yeast, and fungal overgrowth in your body. Let's find out from Barbara what the right conditions are for eliminating yeast and fungus.
So what are the right conditions for eliminating a yeast presence out of the body? Where it be something as simple as psoriasis or eczema, which are commonly caused by a fungus, or whether it be athlete's foot, tinea, jock itch, anal itch, vaginal itch, or whether it be even more serious with cancer. Number one, starve. How do we starve the fungus? Well, it's very important to acknowledge its favourite food. Its favourite food is sugar. And just about everything that you buy in the supermarket has sugar. It also, of course, multiplies when it is exposed to yeast. So this is your Marmites, your Vegemites, your Promites, your yeast spreads, all your sugars, yeast spreads, and also grains. We drastically reduce grains because they can commonly be infected with aflatoxin. In Australia today, all grain is tested for aflatoxin. The grain we get is not totally free because otherwise then none would get through, but a small amount. And of course, if the gut's working well, a small amount can be handled. Also, the person must check their home that they're not constantly being reinfected by a mold presence in the home.
Now, Barbara will tell us what the second thing is that we should do to eliminate yeast and fungus.
Number two, kill. The good news is that there are herbs that will kill fungus, kill mold, and will not kill you. One is garlic, it's well known. Another is olive leaf extract. Olive leaf extract contains a plant chemical called oleucin, and it is strong antifungal. One lady said, "Oh, I take a little bit of that every day." I said, "I would not advise you do that. That's like taking a little bit of antibiotic every day to prevent a cold. No, keep it for when you need it." Also, grapefruit seed extract. Grapefruit seed extract is a very strong antifungal, and if you do use it, my suggestion is only a few drops 3 times a day. You can buy it in a little container called Traveller's Friend. It's called Traveller's Friend because many people travel with it. They just put 1 drop, say, in a bottle of water, and it will kill off any bacteria or fungus that may be in there. Another one is Portiaco. It's a South American herb that is quite strong antifungal. When people are looking at eliminating yeast from the body, I say it's a good idea to work with a professional, a naturopath. But what I advise is maybe 2 weeks on this, 2 weeks on this, 2 weeks on this, 2 weeks on this. Body gets used to things, so it's good to alternate.
Let's find out what the third thing is that we should do to eliminate yeast and fungus.
Number 3, balance. Very important to bring back the balance in the gastrointestinal tract, and so that is taking a probiotic. When the antibiotic comes in, or the different drugs that kill off this, it's important to replace that gut flora. When you flood the gastrointestinal tract with the good guys, they bring the candida yeast back under control. So the balance is important.
Here's a list of probiotic foods. Probiotics are live microorganisms that offer health benefits when consumed. They are often found in fermented foods. Here's a list of common probiotic foods. Dairy-based probiotics include yogurt, especially Greek yogurt, kefir, and buttermilk. Plant-based probiotics include sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, tempeh, kombucha, kefir. Dairy-free options available. Pickles, fermented, and sourdough bread. Other sources of probiotics include some cheeses like cheddar and Gouda, soy-based products like miso and tempeh, certain fermented beverages like kombucha and kefir. Note that not all yogurt, cheese, or other dairy products contain probiotics. Look for labels indicating live and active cultures to ensure you're getting the benefits. Let's find out what the fourth thing is that we should do to eliminate yeast and fungus.
Number 4 is alkalize. Yeast and fungus love an acid environment, so it's very important to alkalize. I'm going to be doing a whole lecture on acid alkaline in this series, but very simply, the most alkalizing food you can take is your vegetables, and of the vegetable kingdom, it is the dark green leafies. That's why spirulina, wheatgrass, green barley, green smoothies, they're all very popular because they are very alkalizing in the body. So alkalize is important.
Here's a list of foods generally considered to be alkalizing. Fruits include lemons, limes, grapefruits, oranges, apples, pears, berries such as strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and avocado. Vegetables such as leafy greens like spinach, kale, and lettuce. Also, broccoli, cauliflower, asparagus, zucchini, cucumber, celery, carrots, beets, garlic, and onion. Nuts and seeds including almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Legumes such as lentils, chickpeas, and kidney beans. Other alkalizing items include coconut water and mineral water. Let's find out what the first thing is that we should do to eliminate yeast and fungus.
And number 5 is ormis. This is orbitally rearranged monoatomic elements. It's a mineral supplement that produces minerals in a superconductive form. So it's very easily utilized by the body. And research in America today is showing that it is able to heal DNA damage. You can see by my last lecture, if we're not healing the DNA, it's quite possible that the rogue cells can continue to be made. We've seen many people conquer yeast presence in their body, even to the point of conquering cancer, by implementing this simple 5-step program.
Remember, your health is the lock, and we're here to provide the keys. Keep turning to Key Health for insights that unlock your full potential. The key to lifelong vitality is in your hands. It's just one bite away.